Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. We're taking a look at question number 23 on our grade 8 Gauss paper, specifically the one from 2008. What have we got for question 23? In the diagram, each circle is divided into two equal areas, and O is the center of the larger circle. Okay. The area of the larger circle is 64 pi. So that's the whole circle, 64 pi. The total area of the shaded regions is, if the whole circle is 64 pi, then this half of the circle is 32 pi, but the question is, what is this half of this smaller circle? And it is a circle, because they've mentioned that. So, what can we do? Well, let's go over to our notepad. We'll draw the picture as best we can. Now we have a line going across the center, or going across the circle, and it passes through the center. This has got to be a diameter. All right. So we have 32 pi down here. Now if the total area is 64 pi, and, we're mentioning diameters, why don't we mention these radii here as well? So if we called this radius r, we know the area of the big circle is pi r squared, but we know it's 64 pi. Divide by pi on both sides, I get 64 is r squared. That tells me r is going to be 8, square rooting either because I know this number or with my calculator. So we have a radius of 8 here. That's fine. And then what have we got? We've got this circle here. Now what if, because we've got O here, we just connect O up, and we've got another radius, but this radius is the diameter of our smaller circle. Now that I know the diameter of this smaller circle is 8, then the radius of the smaller circle must be half of 8, which is 4. So the smaller circle, again, we go with pi and then radius squared, but this time it's pi 4 squared, so 16 pi, and we want half of that. So this black area up here, the shaded area, is 8 pi. And then in total, we have 32 pi coming from the bottom half of the big circle, plus 8 pi coming from the shaded half of the smaller circle. And we have 40 pi as our final answer. Okay, and 40 pi is down there, it's D. So it's D, and that finishes off question 23. We are over the halfway point in our C-part questions. Up next will be question number 24, which looks... actually, let's just check that for a second. Looks suspiciously like a question from the grade 7 paper. But we got 24 coming up, and then 25. I will see you guys for those next time.